This video we're going to show you how to create your EC2 instance in AWS and launch it instantly. So now once you have logged into AWS console, you have to search for EC2 service. So I'm just typing EC2 and choose that service. Once you have selected the service, you're going to see the interface like this, and you would find several options. So I'm going to go to instances and say instance types or instances, and then from there I'm going to choose the instance to be created. So I'm going to say launch instance. So you will have multiple options from here to choose. So I'm gonna choose whatever feasible for my requirement. So I have chosen the instance type, and then now here you're gonna choose what kind of instance you need to create. For me, since it's a demo project, I'm gonna choose a T2 micro, and that is available for free tier. So you can see the configurations available, default configurations available. So I'm going to say just launch. You can still customize a lot of options. I'm going to let it choose the default options. Now you can create a new key value pair, or you can use the existing ones. So I'm going to create a new key pair name. So I'm going to just give it a name and then download the key pair. This would be used later for the connection purpose. So I'm gonna download the key pair. You can use the existing ones. So I'm gonna say launch instances. So now you're gonna let the AWS create your instance, and once the instance is created and launched, you're gonna get success message. So if you see, there is a log message which says launch successful. Now you're gonna weave instances, whatever you've created. In case if you have created multiple, you're gonna see multiple line items. Now this is the latest EC2 instance that we have created, and I'm gonna say launch instance, and you can also connect to the instance, and this can be done via putty service. So now I'm gonna choose multiple one among the multiple options over here. I'm gonna choose EC instance via browser, since I don't have putty. So I'm gonna choose that option and say launch or connect. So this should be a feasible option for you in case if you don't have putty to connect. So I'm gonna just say connect, and so very basic steps that you have to follow. You're gonna choose the region, launch the EC2 wizard, and then select your hardware and the software, something called AMI, Amazon Machine Image. Now you're gonna say create your instances. I have chosen T2 micro for the demo purpose. Then you're gonna configure network, you're gonna configure storage, you're gonna configure key value pair, which is downloadable locally, and then you're gonna launch and connect to your instance, EC2 instance. So these are the basic steps that you're gonna follow. You can also see the status, instance status as running. Now you can shut it down as well, you can stop the service as well. For now I'm going to leave that as running itself, and once it is created, you can see the public IP available, and you can connect it via public IP.